Hello, let's see how to make sweet vermicelli pineapple snack. Ingredients required are 1 cup roasted vermicelli, 1 cup cut pineapple pieces, 1½ tablespoon clarified butter or ghee, 5 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoon cardamom powder, some dry fruits, roasted cashews, raisins, dried cranberries and sliced almonds, pinch of salt and some water. Place a pan on medium heat and add 2 teaspoon ghee. Then add all dry fruits and stir fry them for a minute. Then transfer the dry fruits to a bowl. Now in the same pan add 1 more teaspoon ghee and add pineapple pieces, 2 teaspoon sugar and stir them and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes transfer the cooked pineapple to a bowl. Then in the same pan add roasted vermicelli 1½ cups water and cook stirring occasionally for 4 to 5 minutes or till vermicelli is cooked. At this point add pinch of salt, 5 tablespoon sugar. Stir them around and cook for another 3 minutes. Add more sugar if like it more sweeter. Now add 2 teaspoon ghee. Cooked pineapple, dry fruits, cardamom powder. Stir them around for another 2 minutes and then turn off heat. Sweet vermicelli pineapple snack is ready. Enjoy making vermicelli pineapple snack and see you soon with the next recipe. Bye bye.